Aminin natin si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, isa yan sa pinakamagaling na player sa NBA ngayon. Walang duda dyan. Pero dito magiging interesting ang usapan, mga kabasketball. Talaga bang sobrang hirap lang bantayan ni SGA o masyado lang nire-rewardan ng NBA yung foul hunting at flopping? Kasi kapag ganito kagaling ang isang player, tapos malaking parte ng laro niya ay makapunta sa free throw line, talagang magtatanong ang fans. Pakinggan nyo muna itong sinabi ni Colin Cowherd.
First of all, SGA is a really good player. He's an all-star player. But because the flopping is allowed, and what bothers me is it's become a central point of the playoffs and a central part of his game. It's like, it kind of tears at the fabric of the creativity of the NBA. And the NBA has always been the sport, since I was a kid in the 70s, Dr. J, like Magic, David Thompson, Michael Jordan. It's our most athletic sport. It's our most creative sport. And I like SGA. I think he's a great player. But it's just bad sports. And I do think the NBA, if they win back-to-back titles, will step in and change it. NFL changed the catch rule, changed the PAT. Major League Baseball took away the defensive shift. I don't think it's good television. I don't think it's good sports.
Yan ang punto. Walang nagsasabing hindi magaling si SGA. Magaling siya at elite siya. Pero may difference kasi yung mahirap bantayan sa defender na para bang takot ng huminga na malapit sa'yo dahil baka matawagan agad ng foul ilang na ilang, di ba? Diyan naiinis ang mga fans, lalo na sa playoffs. Gusto ng tao, physical basketball. Gusto nila, big shots, tough baskets, pahirapan, clutch plays. Hindi yung bawat big moment ang tanong lagi, foul ba talaga yun? O magaling lang siyang magbenta talaga ng contact, di ba?
Just to give you some sense of how outrageous it's become, SGA has shot 425 more free throws over the last 2 years.
Grabe ang number na yan, mga kabasketball. Pero ulitin ko lang hindi ito simpleng hate kay Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, kundi kung hindi binibigay ng refs yung tawag, bakit niya nga naman titigilan? Yan ang totoong issue dyan. Ang players nag-a-adjust lang sa kung ano ang pinapayagan ng liga. Kung ang pagbebenta ng contact ay nagbibigay sa iyo ng free points, foul trouble sa kalaban at control sa tempo ng laro, syempre gagamitin mo yan. Kaya baka hindi lang ito SGA problem, baka NBA officiating problem ito. At ngayon pakinggan nyo naman itong sinabi ni Donovan Mitchell kasi mas lalong nagiging interesting ang usapan na to.
The free throw disparity is not why we lost tonight. I want to make sure I say that, but I don't know, I'm trying to get downhill, and a friend of mine got fined for talking about flop, so I'm not going to try to double down, but I mean, like, I feel like that's what I got to do with this.